Hi guys, how you all doing? I just wanted to update you on VIX 75. So if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon because this is where I share trading tips and trading setups and so forth. So if you remember yesterday, I had trades from up here, as you can see here, and then I said I'm gonna exit here. And then in the morning when I woke up, it was just turning before reaching there. And then I was like, okay, instead of panicking, let me just look for an area where I can add more trades. So if you haven't watched that setup that I posted 2 days back, let me just give you how we came about this setup. Remember, we always start at the top, and I think it was from weekly. Yes, we said this price is coming from this weekly area of support, and then anywhere around here is an area of what resistance, and we had that trend line. Remember, we even spoke about the trend line that's coming from the top like that, saying it's not yet broken up until we have a candlestick outside, which is why at the end of that resistance area we were looking for reasons to go short, which is where I entered. And on daily, we said our daily trend line was here, and let me just draw it nicely so that you can see it. It was exactly here, which is where I got the first trades, right? Sorry. Okay, let's see. And where I placed my TP, it's at this opposing area of support. So this is where I'm going to exit. And let me show you on. And we also have another thing that we need to note is a trend line. When the price was moving up, it gave us a higher high, which means it gave us a trend line here, right? Which is where I placed my thing here. I placed it here and said maybe the price would reject there, which is why when it gets there, I might just be on the lookout should it reverse. So in terms of the second trade that I got, in terms of the second, like I told you, when I woke up, I think it was somewhere around there. It had just turned like that, and then I was like, okay, it seems like it's not gonna get there, but it's fine. Let me not panic. But rather, I was like, okay, this is the opposing, the nearest on H4. This is the nearest zone, right? Which is the resistance. That's where I managed to get these trades here. This second trades, which is a sell, and then I just placed the stop loss above. And then now I see it is moving, but if you check that, I've got I think 2 trades there, and here this is where I'm going to exit. Why here and not there? Remember, you must always question why the price turned here and not reach that zone. What if it gets and then it doesn't turn again? So this is gonna be TP1, and then this is always gonna be the main TP that came from daily. But that's basically how I got the second trade. But remember, when the price gets to this, when it gets inside this area of support, we are going to be on a lookout and see if we can get maybe a reasons to go short, but we'll see. We don't have anything confirmed as yet. So on H1, this entry looks like this. As you can see, it didn't even hesitate. It was just a touch, that's a limit, and then it went down, right? So this is where I'm planning on exiting. You see, it's just missing it a bit, but it's trying to go up. But we have a new bullish trend line on H1, and this is the area that is giving us a potential break out of that trend line. But I'm not talking about that one for now. We're saying let's see how the price is going to react around the trend line, and if it's going to get to the daily area of support there, then we can start planning on taking trades to the upside should it give us reasons to search for those trades. But currently you can see that this is basically how I came about. Even if I had used this H1, it will still give me an area at the same level where I got it using the H4. You see, so now I'm like, what if it turns here again, which is why I have my TP there. So we'll see how it behaves around that, and then maybe tomorrow, because remember it's gonna be a Sunday, and then I'm gonna maybe later on I'll make another video of where we are having the weekly overview as to like what to expect from like maybe 2 or 3 charts, and then yeah, maybe when I'm doing that I'll even touch on this one. Should the structure change, I'll just update you. But so far I hope you can see, you can follow the, I'm trying to show you how you should approach the chart, and which are the areas where you should be searching for those trades and so forth. And yeah, if you're interested in learning this style of trading, I've got the mentorship, and then I've got 8 guys that I'm currently teaching, and I'm pretty sure by the time we are done, they should be able to identify these structures like this and know where exactly to look for trades. I'm not saying trading like this, you're gonna win all the time, you're not gonna lose. No, I'm just saying it will increase your chances, or your thing. You'll have more accuracy, and it will be easier for you to sort of spot these setups, you see. So that I know most of you when you're trading it, you just when it gets here, you're looking to buy, but you don't know what's the thing. When it coming back here, you're looking to buy because last time it turned here, but you don't know the overall structure, which is what you must always strive for, being able to read the overall structure. Then you'll be able to pick a side and say, I think here I should be looking for trades in this direction. This is what I'm teaching the guys. So if you're interested, you will just let me know in the comment section, and then once I'm done cooking the current guys, I'm still cooking them and then once I'm done with them, they'll be ready, and then maybe I'll take the second group. So if you're interested, you'll be in that group. So far they're doing well. So yeah, so this is basically all I wanted to show you. So we'll meet later on when I'm doing the weekly overview. So make sure that you always come on this channel and check, because I'll try and put one video every day. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. So bye bye.